Hi guys, how are you? This is Sumit from Indian Institute of E-commerce. Today, I'm going to talk about Khadi business, and this is a highly lucrative business opportunity because government is giving you incentives and subsidies, and there are government departments which exclusively work on exporting Khadi products to the global market. And since you are interested to do business, especially e-commerce business, so why not leverage this art of Khadi and export and make some serious profits out of it? I'll show you some stats and facts about Khadi and handloom products. And India is one of the largest supplier of Khadi and handloom products to the global market. Now let's explore that how in different e-commerce marketplaces like Amazon for global, Etsy for the global market, and for different countries, how we can supply without even buying a single Khadi product by ourselves. Just make an e-commerce store, a plug-and-play store builder I will give you. I'll give you the training and I'll also give you the support. I'll also teach you how to find the suppliers and buyers, how to do digital marketing in a way that you can get regular sales. Okay, now let's do it. So it happened that I was sitting with the chairman of KVIC's promoter. His name is Shekhar Parela. He lives in Hyderabad, and then he's a great mentor for me. And he was telling me about the export of Khadi products, which is happening recently. If you see handloom rugs, I'm just showing you in Amazon. You can see that many of these products are having great amount of reviews. That means these products are getting sold. Same way, handloom rugs are also sold in a very high price in Etsy.com. That's a global site. Same way if you see Lazada also, and also Noon.com. So these are handcrafted or handloom made products, and even in Japan's Rakuten. What is one common thing in all these sites are these handcrafted Indian products have got international demand. That means we can actually export and make great amount of profits in this. I myself have been running my own e-commerce store, and that is the same thing I'm recommending you, that you can also start your own e-commerce store, and I'll be giving the entire end-to-end plug-and-play setup. So what I'm giving you is basically an end-to-end training. I'm giving you all-in-one program where 17 plus modules related to e-commerce and digital marketing and how to sell online. Everything is included, including drop shipping, including export import, and also how to sell on Amazon Global and other marketplaces, and how to automate the sales and marketing without holding the inventory. So all these things you can learn from me. You can make actually a couple of crores of profit in this, but I'm still saying you that from learning and making money, that whole process will be fully practical. And of course, as an entrepreneur, you want to learn this. Even if you are a working professional, you want to get out of that 9 to 5 rat race, what is going on right now in life. So I'm suggesting you to start a business, which is an e-commerce business. And I will be guiding you how to actually get started with this in a very easy way. I'll give you the products, supplier contact, and also buyer's contact, and also teach you how to do digital marketing and digital sales so that you can learn proper way of doing paid ads. You can work on the B2B marketing, engage influencers, do email marketing, and also build a highly successful e-commerce business. So the training will be video based plus instructor based plus practical training. I'll be giving you lifetime access, lifetime update, lifetime support in this program. Many mentors are there with IIC. You can get help from all of us. And if you see the students or working professional, job seekers, the current problem right now is to switch their career from whatever they're doing to an e-commerce or an online business, which can actually generate great amount of profits. As you can see that in Amazon.com or even in Etsy, there are thousand plus positive reviews are there, and at $52,000, $55,000 is some kind of money you can make in this. So why you have to stick to a job or some kind of work which you don't like? I really want to empower people by helping them with an e-commerce business opportunity. So this program that I'm talking about is the complete program. You don't require any other program after this. I'm giving you the study material, that is recorded video lectures plus ebooks and white papers, case studies, and that is coming from Amazon and Alibaba and top companies like this. This program is completely built with partnership with Alibaba Group. So that means the kind of knowledge you will be gained will be from subject matter experts who are running the top companies in the world. So all these things what I'm showing you, we have many niche apart from this. I'm giving you the complete package. I'm giving you the store, I'm giving you the training, I'm giving you softwares and tools that you can work on. I'm also giving the database of buyers and suppliers, and also teaching you how to find buyers and suppliers in the global market. And you don't require so much of investment or anything. You simply require an investment in building this program. That means the store builder, the logo, all these things you can do by using Canva and other tools, right? I'll be guiding you, and you will be able to build it by yourself. Very low expense, and you can build this business. So what I'm teaching you today, handloom and khadi business. And what you see here, a B2B, B2G, that means wholesale business, you can supply to the government, you can have this plug and play business, and this is a wholesale business. Everything from my side I'm giving you, the contacts of suppliers, the pricing setup, the digital marketing training. And for the next 3 years, if you properly work on this, you can easily make 30-40 lakhs of consistent profits in this, maybe more, I mean. But yeah, in the worst case scenario, 8-10 lakh rupees is something which people can easily make or not, tell me. So there are many themes and designs which are there. You can choose any of the design and theme that you want, that you like. For example, these are some of the themes that I'm showing. You can fully customize this theme and you can make your own design in this. Same, you can see this one. So these are themes which are already there. You can see this one or maybe this one. So what you're seeing right now is your own website. And you can just make it your own completely by having your own domain name. So this is the power of e-commerce. All the themes that I'm showing you with the ready-made plug-and-play solution, with the mentorship guidance and the support that you wanted. So that mentorship will help you to build a highly successful business. So I want you to start your career with us in waiting for what? I want you to start your career with us. Get a plug and play e-commerce store builder with us. Get everything as part of the package, including the mentorship, including the store, including the buyer's database, supplier's database, everything from our side as a plug and play model. So if you have to start your own business today, trust me, it will cost you lakhs of rupees. Consultants, they themselves charge you about a lakh or 2 lakh rupees just for guiding you. And then the cost comes in terms of building the store, the developer will charge you, then finding the suppliers, and there's no guarantee. But here at IIC, I'm giving you everything as a package. So don't miss out this opportunity. Join us today and build a successful career in e-commerce with IIC.